We all have given exams in the past and we have prepared for the exam one night before. During the examination day, we have executed whatever we have studied. Similarly, in market also, we have to follow the same principle. We have to plan whatever we want to trade the next day, one day before. And this differentiate a professional trader with a new trader. Even a new trader can reach to that journey after some year of experience and learning. So, hello friends. So, I would be sharing about some updates about the market also in this video, and some interesting thing is lined up along with it. So, stay tuned and watch till the end. So, I have shared this blog with everyone on Saturday regarding the market analysis for the next week. And here we have seen that Nifty is currently trading in this particular demand and supply zone, and the supply zone is at 14960 to 15050. Apart from this, we are seeing that there is a resistance for the Nifty also, and 14930 is a key level to watch. And in this particular blog itself, I have mentioned that some of the sectors are looking bullish, and particularly because more and more sectors are becoming bullish, so I am expecting that the market will give a breakout above this resistance line, and we can expect a rally after this. So how I'm getting this sectors is based on this particular Google sheet. So as you can see now that after today's closing, more sectors have become bullish and they are in swing by category. So if we can see this particular thing, so as you can see in this, there are more sectors that are becoming bullish and are coming into swing buy category. Swing buys particularly for 1 to 3 months horizon, holding period horizon. And this sheet I'm working still, and there is something special in this also. So if you open any of this index which are in swing buy category, so let's say Nifty Media, then it opens all the constituents list and it will again give what should be the position of a trader in this. So if you can see that Dish TV, Sun TV, TV18 and TV Today are in swing buy category. So this I have created, and I will be sharing this sheet once we achieve 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. This is my promise, and I will be sharing it for free of cost. So don't wait and hit the like and subscribe button so that, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified for all the videos that we upload. Now we will be moving on to the Nifty chart. So basically I've added both, combined both the chart, that Nifty supply region and the resistance line. So for tomorrow, uh, some like 14935 is the key level that we should watch out. If Nifty closes above this level, then it is a sign of the breakout, and we can expect a rally of around 2000 points in short term. Before and after this, there is this supply region also, which can be a resistance, and there are some key pivot resistance for Nifty as well. If this give a breakout, so 15044 is a resistance, 15336 is a resistance, and this is the all-time high, which is the resistance. So if we break this level and close above this, then we can carry our longs, and or we can create a bullish position for short term as well, and we can ride this rally. The stop loss after this breakout would be the swing low of this. So basically the stop loss would be 14591. If Nifty closes below this level, then we have to close all our short term position, and the view after the breakout is violated. So we will be exiting our position. This is a trade plan for tomorrow. We will be watching for the breakout above 14935, and we will be getting confirmation after the closing itself. So I will be updating about this on YouTube channel itself. So stay tuned and subscribe. So basically, there is a disclaimer also with this.